Hey everyone, and welcome to Project Pace. We're going to jump right in and talk about a tool that is honestly going to be one of your best friends here. I'm talking, of course, about the Canvas Inbox.
I mean, we've all been there, right? You're cruising through an assignment, everything's making sense, and then, boom, you hit a wall. Or maybe a question pops into your head and you just can't move on until you get it answered. So what's the move?
Well, your best move is always the Canvas Inbox. This is your direct line, your go-to spot for talking with your instructors. It's basically a professional, dedicated email system built right into Canvas just for us.
Okay, so now that you know what it is, let's talk about where it is. It's your professional lifeline, so you gotta know how to find it, right? And honestly, they couldn't have made it any easier. See that main navigation menu on the far left side of your screen? That dark vertical bar? Just look for the icon labeled Inbox. That's it. That's your spot. All right, you found it. Now let's actually send a message. We'll do a quick step-by-step, and I promise after you do this once, you won't even have to think about it again. Okay, so first, you're going to click that Compose icon. Now, this next part is super important. Make sure you select the right course from that little drop-down menu. From there, just start typing your instructor's name in the To field. It'll pop right up. Write your message, give it a quick proofread, and hit that Send button. So sending the message is the easy part, but how you write that message, well, that's where we get into something really important. Remember, you're all on the path to becoming educators. Every single email, every message you send from here on out, it's practice for your professional career. So what does that look like in practice? It's actually really simple stuff. Give it a clear, direct subject line so your instructor knows what it's about. Start with a simple, polite greeting. Get straight to your question. Be as clear as you can. And always, always sign off with your name. These little things, they make a world of difference. Just think about it this way. How you communicate here is basically a sneak peek of the professional you're becoming. So just remember, this isn't like a text to a friend, you know? It's a professional message, and it's a reflection of you as a future educator. But hey, what happens when you've got a question that's just really hard to put into words? Or maybe you're running into a technical glitch and you want to show what's happening. Well, Canvas has this amazing feature where you can actually record a quick audio or video message right there in the inbox. It's perfect for those tricky situations where typing just doesn't cut. Okay, awesome. You've sent a clear, professional message. You're a pro at this already. Now, let's flip the script. What does it look like when your instructor replies? And you don't have to worry about checking it every 5 minutes. Canvas makes it super obvious. Just look at that inbox icon in the main menu again. See that little blue dot? When that appears, that's Canvas telling you, hey, you've got mail. It's your signal that a reply is waiting for you. So as soon as you see that blue dot, just click on the inbox. The new message thread will be highlighted so you can't miss it. Just click on that and you're in. You can read the reply and get the guidance you need. Simple as that. All right, let's zoom out for a second and talk about why this all matters so much. Because really, mastering the Canvas inbox isn't just about sending and receiving messages. It's about taking ownership of your learning and stepping into your role as a professional. I want you to really hear this. The inbox is your tool. It's how you get answers, how you get clarification, and how you build a professional relationship with your instructors. When you use it effectively, you're not waiting for help. You're actively going out and getting it. You're empowering yourself. And here's the coolest part. Every professional habit you build right now in Project Pace, that clear communication, that respectful tone, those are the exact same skills you're going to be teaching and modeling for your very own students someday soon. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. How can getting really good at this one simple tool today shape the incredible educator you are already on your way to becoming tomorrow?